Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing your YouTube channel email ID. Whether you want to switch to a new email address or update your current one, this tutorial is designed to be simple and easy to understand. We'll take you through each step of the process, so let's jump right in and get started. To change the email address associated with your YouTube channel, you need to create a brand account. Having a brand account provides the advantage of granting management rights to multiple YouTube channels. Certainly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a brand account. Visit the YouTube homepage, www.youtube.com, and ensure that you are signed in to your Google account. Click on your profile picture or avatar located in the top right corner of the screen. This will display a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. You will be redirected to the YouTube Settings page. In the Account Settings section, find the option labeled Add or Manage Your Channels. Click on it, and you will be redirected to your channel page. Click Create a Channel. Enter the desired name for your brand account in the provided field. This can be your business name or any name associated with your YouTube channel. Click on the Create button to generate your brand account. Once your brand account has been successfully created, you can transfer your YouTube channel to the brand account. Again, go to Settings page, click View Advanced Account Settings. In the Channel Settings section, you should see an option called Move Channel to a Brand Account. Click on the Move Channel button. You will be asked to verify your account through a phone number or by entering a verification code sent to your email. You will be presented with a page that explains the implications of moving your channel to a brand account. If you still wish to proceed with the transfer, click on the Select Desired Account. This will allow you to choose the brand account you want to transfer your channel to. After selecting the desired brand account, carefully review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to confirm your understanding and acceptance. Then, click on the I understand and wish to proceed button. Next, click on the Delete Channel button again, and you will be presented with some information. Read through this information carefully to ensure you fully understand the process. Finally, click on the Move button. Now that your channel has been successfully transferred to your brand account, you are ready to change the email address associated with it. Go to the YouTube Studio page and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side, click on Add or Remove Managers under the Channel section. You will be redirected to the Brand Account Details page. Click on Manage Permissions. You may be prompted to verify your account. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, return to the Manage Permissions page. Click on Add and enter the email address of the person you want to add as a second owner. From the Choose a Role drop-down menu, select Owner to grant full access to the new email address. Click Invite to send the invitation to the second owner. The new email address will receive an invitation. Once accepted, they will become a second owner of the YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is now linked to two email addresses. After 7 days, you can make the new email ID the primary owner and remove the old email ID associated with your YouTube channel. That's it. You've successfully changed the email address associated with your YouTube channel. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.